Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn about what is subset. If each element of a set is also an element of an other set B, then set A is called a subset of set B. This is the symbol of subset. U is lie on a line. This is called subset. This symbol is used to denote subset. The symbol is used to denote subset. Thus, A is the subset of B mean A is the subset of B. This symbol mean the subset of B. For example, A contains element 1, 2, 3. Each elements of A also contain in set B. Set B contain also these elements 1, 2, 3. Therefore, this is a subset of set B. Proper subset. If each element of a set A is also element of set B and at least one element of set B does not an element of B, then set A is called the proper subset of set B. For example, A contain elements 1, 2, 3. B contain elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Set A is the proper subset of set B because at least one element does not exist in set A. Therefore, this set B is a proper subset of set A. Improper subset. A subset that contain every element of set A is called improper subset of set. The improper subset and original sets are equal as they contain same elements. Superset. This is important. Superset. A superset is that contains all elements of a smaller set. For example, set A contain 1, 2, 3. Set B contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, this is a smaller set. This is part of this set. Therefore, set B is called the superset of set A. Then set B is a superset of A. This is symbolically expressed as B is a superset of A. Power set. A power set is a set that contains all the subset that can be expressed, that can be possibly created from original set. For example, A, the member of A are 1, 2, 3. Then the following subset can be created. Subsets of A are the empty set is a subset of every set and the set itself is also subset of. Power set is denoted P in a bracket A mean power set of set A is equal to 5, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. These are the possible power set of set A. That is all. This is simple. And now in our next video we will solve the exercise related to these definitions. That's all. Please subscribe my channels, because this channel provides you to the point knowledge and to the point questions. I solve for you every single question of this key. Therefore, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share the video and like the video. That's all.